If you want to take burst shot photos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just open the camera app. Now to take burst shot photos, just simply swipe this shutter button to the left side. As you can see, we are capturing burst shot photos. Now just release your finger to stop capturing photos. Now if we go to the home screen and if we open the Photos app, as you can see, these are the burst shot photos which we have captured. And as you can see, these photos are shown as a stack. For the second method, just go to Settings and tap on Camera. And under the camera settings, you will find a feature called Use Volume Up for Burst. And if you enable this feature, you will be able to capture burst shot photos by simply pressing the volume up button. And this is how you can take burst shot photos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.